A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a bold move that has sparked both support and criticism, President Donald Trump announced his nomination of Emil Bove, a former Justice Department official and his personal defense attorney, to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. This nomination is particularly significant as it comes at a time when Trump is facing scrutiny over his administration's judicial appointments and the ongoing debate about the role of the judiciary in American governance. Emil Bove, a distinguished graduate of Georgetown Law, has a long history with the Department of Justice, having served nearly a decade as an assistant U.S. attorney in the Southern District of New York. His reputation as a tough and aggressive prosecutor has made him a polarizing figure in legal circles. Trump praised Bove on Truth Social, calling him smart, tough, and respected by everyone. The president expressed confidence that Bove would help end the weaponization of justice and restore the rule of law, emphasizing his commitment to making America great again. Attorney General Pam Bondi also voiced her support for Bove's nomination, referring to him as an indispensable partner at the DOJ who has worked tirelessly to ensure the safety of the nation. Bondi's endorsement highlights the close relationship between Bove and the current administration, as well as the trust placed in him to carry out the president's agenda. However, Bove's nomination is not without controversy. Critics argue that his close ties to Trump and his previous actions at the DOJ raise serious questions about his impartiality and ability to serve as a fair judge. Democrats have been vocal in their opposition to Trump's judicial nominees, particularly those perceived as loyalists to the president's policies. Bove's nomination is likely to lead to a contentious confirmation process, with Senate Judiciary Committee Democrats expected to scrutinize his record and probe his views on critical legal issues. Bove's tenure at the DOJ has been marked by aggressive tactics that have drawn both praise and condemnation. He played a key role in several high-profile cases, including the controversial decision to drop corruption charges against New York City Mayor Eric Adams, which led to the resignation of several federal prosecutors in protest. Bove's hard-charging approach has been characterized as a reflection of his loyalty to Trump, raising concerns about the politicization of the judiciary. As the nomination process unfolds, it remains to be seen how Bove's past actions will impact his confirmation. Legal experts have expressed concern about the implications of appointing a judge who may prioritize political loyalty over judicial independence. Ed Whalen, a conservative legal scholar, criticized Trump's assertion that Bove would do anything else that is necessary to make America great again, calling it an odd and highly politicized understanding of the judicial role. The Third Circuit Court of Appeals, which covers Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware, currently has 2 vacancies. If confirmed, Bove would serve a lifetime appointment, making his nomination a critical issue for both parties. The upcoming confirmation hearings are expected to be a battleground for broader discussions about the future of the judiciary and the balance of power within the federal government. In addition to Bove's nomination, the Trump administration has made other controversial appointments, including Ed Martin as the Justice Department's pardon attorney, which has raised eyebrows among legal analysts. Martin's oversight role includes leading the Weaponization Working Group, a task that some critics argue could further politicize the DOJ. As the political landscape continues to shift, Bove's nomination serves as a litmus test for the current administration's approach to judicial appointments and the ongoing debate about the integrity of the justice system. With both sides gearing up for a fight, the confirmation process promises to be a closely watched event in the coming weeks. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.